You need precision. Introducing the PlasTell Desktop, the smart, safe, and instant solution for polymer identification. Redesigned for versatility, it features 2 lamps and extended battery life, giving you the power to identify plastics anywhere. With a single control button and rapid self-calibration, you are ready to start measuring in seconds. Powered by advanced infrared technology, PlasTell identifies the polymer type in under 1 second. Just place your sample and get a result. Built for the daily grind, it features USB-C fast charging and robust connectivity for continuous operation. Sort faster with the configurable colored LED. Get instant visual confirmation without even looking at the screen. Take control of your data. Connect to the Matoha cloud app to log every scan, visualize spectral graphs, and create audit-ready reports. From PET to HDPE, PlasTell supports up to 24 of the most common plastic types, ensuring you never miss a valuable material. With instant access controls and seamless workflow integration, sorting has never been this efficient. From fishing nets to industrial scrap, identify the invisible and close the loop with PlasTell.